అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు బుర్ర రమాదేవి. వెలుగు జాడల్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈ ఛానల్ను అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి వీడియోలు మునుముందు మీ ముందుకు తీసుకువస్తా. నాకు సహకరించండి. నమస్కారములు.
Answer.
Okay, right. Approve.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sirs and ma'am, for that meaningful gesture. We hope that the light from this lamp
Battery.
Panamata Heritage School's Annual Day. Alaya, the true colors of India. again a heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries and guests present over here. And the audience are looking like so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Here, and also to honor the rich cultural diversity which has shaped who we are as a community. This year's theme, Cultural Diversity, invites us to take a moment and reflect on our. Today is not just occasion to celebrate talent, but also to honor excellence and hard work. I, Sonali Kumari, and I, Shruti Upadhyay, English faculty, takes great pride in announcing the results of two prestigious recognitions, the Scholarship Test and Overall Championship. First up, we have the much-awaited Scholarship Test result. This test is the testament to the dedication and brilliance of our young minds who have shown exceptional commitment to their studies. We believe that participation is more important than winning. So let's applaud for all the participants. Please everyone clap for them to motivate all the learners. थोड़ा पीछे. Taking the third position, we have Harshwath Reddy grabbing 25,000 cash prize and the Rising Genius Award. And now it's time for second position, which is taken up by Yashmit Patel, who is presented with 35,000 cash prize and the Rising Genius Award. So now, shall we move towards grade 7? Aren't we missing something? Oh yes, the first position. So before we hand over the first position, can we request Ramana sir to please come onto the dais and facilitate the achievers. Huge round of applause for sir. The first position for which everyone was eagerly waiting. Yes, it's Ashrit Anandi. He is awarded with 50,000 rupees and Rising Genius Award. Please give him a huge round of applause. And the Rising Genius Award. Third position is secured by Sai Rishit Jonala, who is honored by 25,000 rupees and the Rising Genius Award.
again. You are all an inspiration, and we look forward to seeing you reach even greater heights. School activity. We would like to ask our chairman, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu, to announce the result of the overall champion of the academic year 24-25. Sir, the mic is all yours.
So, for the year 2024-25, the runner-up for this academic year is Class 7PLR.
And now it's time for the winner. Any guesses by any chance? Which class?
So after the runner-up, now the winner for the 2024-25 is 6PLR.
Congratulations, 6PLR! Can we have the class teacher and all the subject teachers?
Let's clap for them, everyone. Now we would like
Respected Madam Prasunna Director, Vinod Rao Director, Mr. Anukar Rao Director, V.M. Prasad. We were not like that. But these children, I tell you very frankly, that these children have tremendous amount of intelligence, knowledge. So, how do we raise our children? So somebody said, if mother is happy, but if mother herself is not happy, she cannot keep the child happy or make the child grow happily. Today we have to ask, as a teacher, as a mother, am I happy or not? Before you actually give happiness to others, it is impossible, to my knowledge, to give happiness to others if I am not happy.
Panamata Heritage School's Annual Day. Alaya, the true colors of India. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries and guests present over here. And the audience are looking like so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
and we look forward to seeing you reach even greater heights.
Along the way, with utmost respect and admiration, I cordially invite Mr. Hanmanrao sir onto the stage for the principal's report.
We request all the parents to please stay back and enjoy the remaining performances. Thank you.
Is everything for a child. The modern child requires skills. Skills have to surpass the marks and grades. We need a school where academics and skills go hand in hand. Paramita, since its inception, never compromised with the standards. Our chairman, Dr. E. Prasad Rao, being a renowned academician, brings every world-updated teaching and learning process into the classrooms of Paramita. This is the reason why Paramita made its mark in India. Paramita is known for its innovative approaches in the field of education. Creative, innovative, and globally accepted academic programs in Paramita Headgate's premier wing. The days of rote learning and reproducing what teachers teach are gone forever. Student needs creative thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills. Hence, Paramita classrooms are found highly interactive, where child's innovative skills are brought out through discussions, contemplations, and deliberations. Real holistic learning is found in
hard work and commitment.
Now, as we gather to reflect on the milestones we have achieved and the dreams we have nurtured, we know that the journey ahead requires inspiration, guidance, and motivation.
And who better to provide that than the visionary leader who has been at the helm of our success, our Honorable Chairman Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu.
Today, as we celebrate the fruits of our hard work, we know that His presence will illuminate our path forward and instill in us courage to take on new challenges with passion and purpose.
It is with immense respect and honor that we extend a warm invitation to our esteemed Chairman Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu to grace us with his words of wisdom. Sir, we would be truly privileged to hear from you today and be inspired by your vision for the future.
Let us welcome him with the warmest applause.
Parents of grade 4 students are requested to collect their children from the student handover point near the girls' hostel. Thank you.
So, all of you, very, very good evening. Respected Madam Prasoona, all the directors, Anukar Rao, Ramana, Vinod, Prasad, Director Hanumantrao Garu, Gopi Krishna, Balaji, all the coordinators, Rabindra Patro, Bhavani, Sarita Madam, beloved teachers, parents and students. Standing in front of you at this time is very difficult because a lot of programs are going to come. But I will not take much time. After having seen all the programs, the children's presentation, comparing the dances, I could find a lot of energy. What you call Urja, Shakti. These children possess tremendous amount of energy. Intellectual energy, physical energy, emotional energy and spiritual.
Now, it's the time for the teachers to stand up and stand in the background and for all the monitors in our family. Our great pilots and students will dance into the performance, symbiotic relationship reminding the company